Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Two Phones back again with another informative video. This video is about using Chatsim in 2019. Um, it's been a while since I brought this service back up, and yes, my service is still active and it's still for free. So here we go again, another for free service. So how does this work? Basically, let's go into the website. You go to chatsim.com and it breaks down everything, how it works, what apps you can use, and so on. So it's chat for free and without limits. All right. So send unlimited text messages and emojis anywhere in the world for just $25 a year. Just for 25 bucks, one time fee for a whole year, you have unlimited chat messaging. Okay. So this is great. Once again, this is another service I recommend for your kids, for grandparents and things and that sort like that, teenagers, all that. So this is a great service because it runs and works with most of the most popular messaging apps in the freaking world. No matter where you at in the world, this is perfect for you. As you can see, they got like a little diagram, a little video showing in the background. You can go ahead and check that out. So what's Chatsim? Chatsim is the world's first SIM card that lets you connect your chat apps wherever you are. For just $25 a year, you can send unlimited text messages to WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and many more. So you want to learn about the other stuff, the other apps that work with it. Just hit the Learn More tab, and it'll take you directly to the other messaging apps. So so it basically 25 for text messaging and emojis, and you can add on additional credits for photos, videos, and calls. So you could add on an additional $20 a year, $50, or even $100 a year. If you want to make calls with the service, download videos, and download photos. So that's the real downside to the service, and also you can't watch YouTube. You can't use the actual Facebook app and sort. So you got to keep that in mind when doing that. Also, they do have a breakdown. Um, they do have a breakdown of what apps are compatible. So Telegram, if you're a big Telegram person, this will work for you. If you use BlackBerry's messaging app, this will work for you. Facebook Messenger, we all know everyone uses Facebook Messenger. WeChat, if you're into that. QQI, if you're into that. Line, Hike, Talk, Kako, Beep. I think that's a new one they added on. So all this on one SIM card, and it works practically everywhere in the world. So that's basically how ChatSim works. And like I said, no, you won't be able to use YouTube, and you won't be able to use your, Netflix and things like that. You'll need an additional data SIM card or a dual SIM Android device and have a data SIM for your YouTube and Netflix. But if you on a device where you have a music app like FM Radio or Next Radio, you can still listen to your music, stream your music for free. Your games will still work. Other stuff like Gmail and stuff that won't work. Like your Google app won't work. Your Chrome browser won't work. So keep that in mind. But these are most of the apps that will work. Everything you see on my screen, basically that fill up the whole home screen, will basically work unlimited with texting. With texting. Now, if you need to make calls, like I said, you can add on for additional $20 to $100 a year, for calls if you need that. But if you're on a dual SIM Android device, just get like a free up mobile service or a free pop SIM, pop that in, and you got calls. So that's the only downside. You really can't really call with it. You have to add additional money to your account. But for just using your favorite messaging apps, I mean on the go, like without Wi-Fi, I say that's a win. All right, so that's how ChatSim works. Once again, just go to the website. I'll leave a link in the description box. Let me know what your thoughts is on having unlimited chats, just unlimited messaging for a year. Could you live off just messaging people for a year without having to like depend on Wi-Fi all the time? I think that's what it is. Stop depending on Wi-Fi. And yes, it does run on the AT&T network. As you can see, I got AT&T and Chatsim. All right. So it does run on there, and you will receive your incoming like notifications. It just, you wouldn't be able to tap on them like you're on Twitter or something like that. You won't be able to tap on them. But it will work with, like I said, most of these apps seen on screen. So give me your thoughts in the comment section below. Would you try Chatsim? Would you give this to your kid, your teenager, your grandparents? Leave me your thoughts in the comments. All right, it's your boy, Two Phones.